You are what you speak. Dear friends, today I want to talk to you about the power of your words. The words you speak have the power to shape your reality, to create your destiny, and to define who you are. As the Bible says, the tongue has the power of life and death. Proverbs 18:21. Our words have the power to bring life or death, to build up or to tear down. When we speak positive words, we create a positive reality. We build ourselves up, we encourage others, and we bring life to our circumstances. As Mahatma Gandhi said, your words become your actions become your habits become your character, and your character becomes your destiny. But it is not just speaking positive words, it is also about speaking words of faith. So when we speak words of faith, we release the power of God into our lives. As Jesus said, if you have the faith and do not doubt, not only can you do what was done to the fig tree, but also can say this to the mountain, go throw yourself into the sea, and it will be done. Matthew 21:21. The words are powerful. If you change your words, you can change your life. Joyce Mayer. The words you speak today will determine the life you live tomorrow. Joel Osteen. Your words have the power to heal or hurt, to build up or to tear down. Zig Ziglar. So, how can you apply to this your life? Here are few practical tips. Number one, speak positively. Speak words that are positive, uplifting, and encouraging. Number two, focus on solutions. Instead of dwelling on problems, focus on finding solutions. Number three, practice mindfulness. Be mindful of your thoughts and words and choose to speak life affirming words. You are what you speak. Your words have the power to shape your reality, to create your destiny, and to define who you are. As the Bible says, let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, O Lord. Psalms 19:14. So I want to leave you with a challenge today. For the next 30 days, I want you to speak only positive words into your life. See how your life changes. See how your reality shifts. See how your destiny unfolds. You are what you speak. So speak life, speak hope, speak positivity. Thank you.